Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the wallpaper of your iPhone or iOS. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our phone. Now simply we have to tap on our phone, and after that we will get these options. If you want to hide any kind of app, you can also do that. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the settings icon, and after going to the settings icon, simply we have to scroll down, and you will get an option which is called wallpaper. So let's click on this. As you can see, these all type of wallpapers are provided here. If you want to add new one, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this plus icon, and you have to choose any of them. For example, I'm going to choose this random one. It's up to you that which you are choosing. As you can see, these all options are also provided. If you want a live photo, you have to click on this. As you can see, you can also add that. If you want to add any kind of weather, you can also do that. All options are provided here. I'm going to make it cancel, and let's see. For example, we are going to choose this one, so we have to click on this, and now we have to click on the add, and let's click on the set wallpaper pair. Let's click on this, and it will be added in your wallpaper section. So for example, I'm going to click on this. As you can see, let's click on the done, and it will be added. So in this way you can add any kind of wallpaper on your phone. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.